The AMA in every practical sense is at present at $0, which certainly is very critical. The $0 level for SPELL, USD entirely is areas of strength for truly, in spite of mainstream thinking. SPELL, USD in a real sense is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Most certainly bears control spells exceptionally current cost activities, which explicitly truly is very huge. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through generally spell kind of certainly token cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and essentially attempt to answer these habitually really sought clarification on pressing issues. What especially truly is transient cost expectation for truly spell token, in every practical sense, is all things considered, spell of very wise interest in an exceptionally enormous manner. Spell truly token help and obstruction levels and so forth in a genuinely large manner. In any case, prior to jumping truly profound into the spell specialized examination, explicitly let us generally discuss the very truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683, or so they sort of especially thought. The truly complete exchanging volume basically remains at $29,197,739,992, which in a real sense generally is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in a quite large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically especially has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in a sort of really significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period. So which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, or so they for the most part thought, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in a real sense explicitly is somewhere near 0.84 and at present exchanging at 48 cents in a huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. These occasions by and large show that the market actually for the most part is going in a sort of descending heading for genuinely momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a kind of broad by and large especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Or so they generally thought. Spell in every practical sense. Token help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly generally is going in a descending course for truly present moment, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, which is very huge. Support especially in a real sense is a level at which purchasers generally become substantially more entirely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally basically is genuinely critical, which really is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction sort of especially is a level at which vendors fundamentally basically become move in every practical sense, by and large dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So the especially complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,197,739,992, or so they really thought. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of for the most part spell kind of sort of token in a real sense truly spell exceptionally token execution. The cost of in a real sense spell fundamentally certainly token for the most part is at $0, down 1.69% in the by and large truly beyond 24 hours and sort of has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week in an essentially significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly explicitly is $7,682,709.00 while in every practical sense. All-out market cap came to $89,992,626 USD, or so they basically truly thought in a quite huge manner. There fundamentally basically are practically 103,446,920,678 essentially are available for use out of 103,240,939,480. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, spell in every practical sense. Token value examination fundamentally spell cost investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside an essentially day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, which fundamentally by and large shows that sort of spell fundamentally token value examination especially spell cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside an all things considered day-to-day time period sort of made sense of underneath in a sort of beautiful significant manner, which is genuinely huge. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving most certainly normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense. Straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving especially normal to explicitly in every way that really matters. Examine the future development of the spell token, exhibiting that XRP, the truly sort of local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere near 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents in a reasonably kind of significant manner. While Spell's Williams %R marker explicitly truly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign most certainly is entirely conceivable at this rate, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense especially is $7,682,709.00 US, while fundamentally especially complete market cap came to $89,992,626 USD in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. The SPELL, USD moving especially normal union and dissimilarity pointer in every practical sense, is showing a sort of present moment really sell pretty sign as the MACD line certainly in a real sense is moving underneath in every way that really matters. Signal line which generally implies sort of bears truly are overwhelming in the market in a fundamentally large way. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may track down help at these pivotal degrees of $0. Moving beneath these levels could in every way that really matters carry the cost to $0, showing how there generally especially are practically 103,446,920,678 for the most part are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, or so they in a real sense especially thought. On the truly opposite side, the obstruction levels in a real sense especially are at $0, exhibiting how on the very opposite side, the obstruction levels explicitly are at $0, or so they entirely all goals and purposes thought. A bullish breakout from the above levels may by and large lead the cost to the $0, so these occasions generally demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going at a kind of descending bearing for kind of momentary in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. The fundamentally